They took social media by storm, not through dance challenges or pranks, but by turning every traffic frustrations into lessons on road safety.
Umingit ka, maiipit ka nga ni!
Armed with a signature whiteboard filled with hand-drawn illustrations, sharp sarcasm, and a no-nonsense delivery, JB Suarez has built an online community that doesn't just laugh at kamote moments, it learns from them. At first, JB says his video was simply his way of calling out bad road behavior, but as his audience grew, so did his purpose.
Relatable. Okay? Kasi when people reach out to me, palagi nilang unang sinasabi, kuwang-kuwa mo talaga yung inis ko sa kalsada eh. Kuwang-kuwa mo yung galit ko.
Today, his content goes beyond entertainment. Using simple drawings to recreate real-life road situations, JB breaks down common traffic mistakes, making complex road rules easier to understand for everyday drivers and riders. He believes people learn better when they can see the situation for themselves.
You're supposed to give an exact scenario para dun pa lang, mas concise na yung usapan. So, pag hindi mo kasi visualize, di ba, yung iba mahirapan sila ma-imagine.
Through every post, JB is showing that social media isn't just a place for entertainment. It can also be a powerful tool to promote responsible driving and encourage better behavior on the road. To ensure his content remains accurate, he carefully reviews the LTO handbook, MMDA guidelines, and other official reference before producing videos that explain road rules and traffic regulations. Credibility is just as important as creativity. What started as content has now become a mission of public service.
I hope at the end of the day, isipin lang din natin, ano pa rin ba yung primary messaging ng video? Diba? Bakit ko siya sinasabi? Bakit ko siya binibigyan diin?